right? So I came and bought it, and we tested it for about more than 6 months, and it did bring down my blood sugar level, and also my wife's blood pressure level too. So now she's not constantly on pill, the BP pill. Besides that, it's a good product. We don't get hungry so fast when we take the rice. Got a lot of good benefits, but for people who probably are more chronic in diabetic or what, I think they should find a big difference. For us, we just take it for health reasons. Yeah, the cooking is very easy. We just wash the rice and put it in the pot here and put the water level full, and that's it. You just press one or two buttons, that's it. I do cook every day for lunch and dinner. So, at the moment, if I want congee, so I'll cook the rice, and later I'll take the rice out and boil it in water. Right. Because in future you say there will be software for the congee. Well, okay, I'll wait for that. I am the only one in my family who's using this, but I'm starting to recommend to my other friends and my relatives. So in hope of convincing them good for their health. I would say that those who can afford it, you have to put health before everything else, because health is the most important. Like the saying goes, health is better than wealth. So everyone who can afford it should buy it, and we get a lot of support from Grayns. Their customer service is very good. Whenever there is a complaint, they do attend to it very quickly. It's very satisfying.